Hey y'all, welcome back to the Great Smoky Mountains. This is Ren, the Smoky Mountain Lady. Greg and I would like to wish everyone a happy 4th of July, and we want to give a big shout out to all our service people that get out and fight for our country and defend us. We appreciate you all, and we never take it lightly what you all do for us. And we also want to give your family a big shout out because you have to not see your family while you're doing this, so they're without their loved ones. So big, huge shout out to them too because they sacrifice so much for us as well. This was a few years back downtown Gatlinburg. If you can't get out and watch the fireworks, maybe you can enjoy the show from your couch for whatever reason it is this year. I think it's really good because you see Old Glory there waving in front of the fireworks, and it makes it extra special. So I'll hush and let y'all enjoy the show. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Happy 4th of July again. God bless, and we'll see you at the next cabin.